Whoa! Today we have a brand new laptop in the house. Killer specs on budget. So usually a lot of people keep looking to buy a budget category laptop under 30,000 rupees, right? But around this price point, usually you get like Chromebooks or maybe like low spec laptops or maybe like laptops without Windows operating system. But this over here is like a total package, guys. A brand new laptop from Infinix just launched today in the Indian market. It's their all new Inbook Y1 Plus laptop, guys. And as I've told you, this thing packs like very interesting features at this price point. First of all, you're getting like a biggest display in this segment, 15.6 inch 1080p resolution IPS level panel, guys. Like that itself is like crazy around here. And not only that, you're also getting like decently powerful hardware. You're getting Intel's i3 CPU paired with like 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and also NVMe Gen 3 PCIe SSD, guys. So pretty crazy specs. This is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. The laptop comes in this sort of box packaging, very similar sort of Inbook series packaging, guys. Infinix logo at the top and also says Inbook Y1 series on the front. Now there is nothing much to talk about over here, guys. So let me quickly tell you the specs of this laptop first. So this laptop is actually available in 3 different colors and you also get 2 different variants. Today we have the silver color edition to unbox and check out in this video. And talking about the variants, you get 8 plus 256GB variant and 8 plus 512GB variant. Today in the house we have the 8 plus 256GB laptop. And without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. You get like a paper booklet, guys. Just make sure to read this. It's like a complete user manual. And along with that, you get like a 45 watt compact Type-C power adapter for charging. It's a fast charger. And lastly, a Type-C to Type-C cable for the power adapter. And that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. And there you go, boys. Our brand new Infinix Y1 Plus laptop in silver color finish. Oh wow. Beautiful looking laptop, right? Like seriously, doesn't look like a budget category laptop at all. As I've told you, it's available in 3 different colors. You get like gray, silver and blue color I feel. And this is the silver color edition. Beautiful looking laptop, guys. And initial impressions, build quality is also like pretty good. Entire laptop is made of like aluminum alloy metal body, guys. And look at the top panel as well. You're getting like a beautiful dual tone sort of finish and has like a brushed aluminum sort of feel at the center with the Infinix logo at the center, guys. Very good looking laptop at this price point. And it's also like very slim, I would say. It's only around like 18.6 mm thickness and roughly weighs around like 1.76 kgs. Not the lightest, but TK around this price point. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the connectivity ports and talk about that. Starting off from the left side, you're getting a full-sized HDMI port, a USB 3.0 Type-A port is also there, Type-C port is also there that doubles up as your charging port, and you also have like a charging status indicator, and that's it. There's nothing else over here. And on the right is where you've got all your remaining connectivity ports, which include a micro SD card reader as well, one more Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack is also available, and lastly one more USB 3.0 Type-A port available. And here's how the bottom side of the laptop looks like. As I've told you, entire metal body, guys, solid build quality, I would say. You're getting like rubber foot pads on all the corners, and you see these tiny grills on the left and right. These are your speakers. Laptop has like bottom firing stereo speakers that can produce around like 2 watts of audio. We'll talk about the speaker quality at a later part in the video. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the configurability and upgradability, right? So this particular laptop, we have the 8 plus 256GB edition, and the RAM on it is soldered, so it's not upgradable, but the storage on it is expandable. You're getting like an additional M.2 slot available, and there you can expand the storage up to 2 TB, so that's a good thing. So that was about the external profile, and as soon as you open it, there you go, boys. Here's how the interior of the laptop looks like. Very neatly packed, as you can see. And oh wow, that is such a clean looking laptop, right? I mean, look at the whole design over here. Very minimalistic black and white sort of feel, and looks lovely at this price point. Doesn't look like affordable category laptop at all. And my god, that display bezels are also like very thin. Look at these bezels on the left and right. Oh wow, Infinix, you guys are like setting new benchmarks in the Indian market. Anyways, let's have a closer look at the top profile and talk about the display. As I've told you, you're getting like one of the biggest display in this price segment, 15.6 inches, 1080p IPS level display with 87% sRGB color gamut range. At the top, you're getting a 2 megapixel full HD webcam, guys, with dual star LED flashlight, and also has like built-in array microphone as well. Bezels are very thin on the sides and the top, but on the bottom you do have a bit of thick thick bezel, but not that thick also, guys. Pretty reasonable around this price point. You have the Infinix Y series branding over here, and that's it, nothing else. It's an anti-glare display, so you can't see reflections also that much, and wide viewing angles thanks to IPS display. And on the bottom, here's how the keyboard looks like, guys. Look at this entire metal body, right? And doesn't attract much fingerprints also. That's a good thing. So let me give you like a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad as well. So Infinix Y1 Plus comes with like a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and keyboard quality is like pretty good. 1.5 mm key travel distance. Key quality is also nice, give like a tactile and clicky feedback, and overall comfort level were pretty good, guys. I had like a good typing experience. And yes, you can even adjust the backlighting level using this function key. Coming down to the touchpad, look at this. You're getting like a premium glass covered touchpad over here, and it's a massive size touchpad, guys, that feels very comfortable to use. And touchpad was also like pretty good, guys. Had no issues. It was easily detecting all my inputs and gestures, and I didn't face any sorts of dead zones also anywhere. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been a couple of days I've been using this laptop, and I've been doing like a lot of tests, guys. So today I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are a lot of points I have to talk about, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now I know you people wanna straight jump to the performance part only, lekin ruko zara, sabar karo. Let's start with the display part, then eventually we'll go to the performance. So first, talking about the display, as I've told you guys, Y1 Plus comes with like a 15.6 inch 1080p resolution IPS level display, and let me tell you, display quality is actually pretty good at this price point. No, I'm not exaggerating. I have the display, it's a fact, right? I've seen so many laptops around this price point, so I can immediately tell about the display quality. First thing is, getting 1080p resolution at this price point itself is like pretty great, guys. So there's like good amount of detail, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like movies or any sort of YouTube videos also, now you'll be like fully satisfied. Good amount of detail, crisp and clear text, even on blogs or website pages. And coming to the color quality, it's an IPS panel, guys, and color quality is pretty good. But one thing I do have to mention is, compared to the Infinix previous laptops, I've also reviewed their X1 series Inbook laptops in the past, and compared to that, I felt Infinix slightly compromised on the color quality, because you're getting a bigger display over here, right? Those were like 100% sRGB color gamut support. Here you're only getting like 87% color gamut range, so slightly less colors compared to those panels. But TK, at this price point you can't complain much, because you're getting like 15.6 inches display, right? So that also you'll have to take into factor. And apart from that, if you talk about the overall dynamic range is also nice. Bezels are also thin, beautiful looking laptop, and display brightness is also like pretty sufficient. You'll get around like 250 nits of max brightness, and it's like enough for day-to-day sort of usage, guys. But if you're like a college student who uses a laptop in outdoors, there you might feel display brightness is tad a bit less. But apart from that, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display over here for that price point. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the speaker quality, na? Just listen to this soundtrack, you'll get to know about the speaker quality.
It's been a month since I bought my brand new XUV 700. आज आपका भाई इसका रिव्यू देगा. यार जान है, शान है, प्यार करता हूँ इससे. यही था मेरा Valentine 14th को. A lot of people have been asking me in the comment section, Vimal bhai, it's been more than a month, right? Share your experience about the car. कैसा है new XUV 700? And that is what I'll be doing.
Sound quality is actually quite impressive over here. I was not expecting that. You're getting like 2 watts of stereo speakers on board, and those are pretty loud, guys. I mean, good amount of audio detail as well. Clarity was nice, and distortion was also like minimum up to 80% volume level, but beyond that you'll definitely feel slight distortion in the audio. Alright, now let's come to the main part. How is the performance of this laptop? Because that is what you people keep looking for, right? So first of all, let me tell you about the specs. It packs Intel's 10th Gen i3, guys, 1005G1 dual core CPU based on a 10 nanometer process, and has like 2 cores, 4 threads, max boost of up to like 3.4 gigahertz. The CPU on itself is not that great, but combined with like 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and also PCI NVMe Gen 3 SSD, it's actually a pretty good package around this price point, guys. So I've been using it for my day-to-day sort of tasks, and running like half a dozen Chrome tabs at the same time, and I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters. It was like pretty good handling all of these applications. But along with these half a dozen Chrome tabs, if you start opening some intensive applications, maybe like PowerPoint presentations or stuff like that, there you will definitely feel a little bit of lag. Again, guys, as I've told you, it's a budget category laptop. Don't expect a lot over here. For this price point, it's actually doing a good job compared to the competition competition in the market. So guys, for day-to-day sort of usage, it is pretty good. You can even do like little bit of photo editing also, not an issue. But if you want to do like, you know, intensive tasks or applications, maybe like video editing, you want to play games, nah, this is not made for that. You'll have to go for like little more hardware upgrade over there if you want to do those sort of applications. But apart from that, if you're a college student, you do a bit of programming, coding daily, and you're looking for a laptop on a budget, you can definitely go for this. You are definitely getting Microsoft Office 365 installed on it, but it is not activated, guys. You'll have to get that again separately. And coming to the gaming performance, well, it's a budget category laptop, so don't expect gaming over here, guys. What are you talking? You can't do gaming on this thing. You can only play like basic casual arcade sort of games, and that's it. Or maybe, you know, you can play GTA 5 but at 720p lowest possible graphics, that's it. But still, if you insist me to cover a gaming review on this laptop, let me know in the comment section down below. And lastly, coming to the battery life, as I've told you guys, you're actually getting a pretty decent battery over here. 50 watt hour lithium polymer built-in battery, and battery life is pretty decent. On my sort of applications and usage now, I was easily getting like 1 days of battery life over here. So if you're using it for like day-to-day sort of applications like running Chrome, you're watching a bit of YouTube videos, and you know, sometimes web series with the brightness set to around like 50-60% level, and also like little bit of emails and PowerPoint Word presentations, then easily you'll get like 1 day's battery life. But if you do a little bit of photo editing, you know, intensive applications on this thing, you can easily get around like 5 to 6 hours of battery life out of this thing. So here's a quick demo on the webcam quality, guys. You're getting a 2.1 megapixel FHD webcam and can shoot videos in 1080p at 30 fps format. So here's how the video quality looks like. Do let me know what do you think about the video quality, and also the audio you're listening is also from the built-in array microphone present on this laptop. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Well, that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. What do you people think about this laptop? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now for this price point, I feel it's like a all-in-one package, guys. You're getting like a beautiful 15.6 inches 1080p IPS display, and pair that with like a decent hardware on board. You're also getting like dual LED flash, and good speakers are also there, decent battery life as well. And what more can you ask for at this price point? Windows 11 is also like pre-installed on this thing. Only thing I felt is, you know, Infinix should have kept their 100% sRGB color gamut panels only on this model also. That would have been like pretty awesome, but they had to do a bit of cost cuttings here and there because they're offering you like a bigger sized panel, right? And second thing is the RAM on it is not upgradable. Yeah, you should have kept that like upgradable, just like the storage. But apart from that, you know, I feel it's like a pretty good value for money laptop at this price point. So 8 plus 256GB variant costs around like 29,990 rupees in India, and its bigger brother 8 plus 512GB edition costs around like 32,000 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it, guys. I hope you all got to know everything about this particular laptop. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.